Henry Slade is waiting to discover if he is a part of England's future plans before deciding whether to sign a new deal at Exeter or consider a move abroad. The Chiefs' 30-year-old centre has been in vintage form this season, while still coming to terms with being left out of Steve Borthwick's squad for the recent World Cup. His current contract runs out at the end of this campaign, and Director of Rugby Rob Baxter revealed that uncertainty about his international prospects is a significant factor. Asked if being recalled by England is part of the equation for Slade, who has 56 test caps, Baxter said, "That will probably help him make his decision around what he wants to do. We want to keep him, so we're in limbo at the moment. He wants all the information on the table as to what's happening with England. Then he can sit down and assess his options. Slade will want to know if he is likely to be awarded one of the new, enhanced EPS deals by the RFU, worth up to £150,000 a year. Baxter added, Henry may well decide to stay, even if he's not in the England team. Elsewhere, Saracens prop Mako Vunipola has been banned for 4 weeks for a tackle on Newcastle's Brian Byrne. He'll be available for the start of the Six Nations, if selected by Borthwick.